Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Numan here, and today we are going to see how can we switch our Unity scene and how can we add a quit button inside a game. Okay, let's first disable that button. Okay, now let's start the game. Okay, it's loading, and here we have a UI edit, and we can click on the play button, and next we need to select our plane, and we select it. Okay, and once our plane destroy, yeah, okay, so we can reload our scene. So if we click on that reload button, we can reload the game. Okay, so we already discussed that thing, and now we need to add a quit button here. So for the quit button, what we can add, if we, let's say this is our main game. Okay, and here let's add a button, let's say the quit game button, let's say. So let's add any type of image here. Okay, so where okay, all right, so right now we not have any exact image, but let's add a temporary image. Let's say let's say this button maybe. Okay, so we add this button, all right, with color of black. Let's say here we have this button, and inside we add another image. Let's say it can be la la la. Okay, so yeah, here. All right, if it's work, then no issue. All right, just to understand how can we quit the game. Okay, so this is our, let's say, quit button and we add a component of a button. All right, so yeah, here we add a button, and we choose let's say this our script, reload script that we did in our last tutorial. We add a method name as public void quit game, let's suppose. Okay, so we can use the method Application.Quit. okay, so if we are playing that game on the cell phone, then if we just hit with that button, this quit button, and select this function, let's say the quit game, then the game will be quit, like completely quit on the cell phone. Okay, so this button will work on the cell phone, and this will be the little function, you can say, that use to quit the game. So this is how you can quit the game.